yet another stop in Dhruvasare. That's my friend Lawrence on his bike. We are heading to Sakleshpur. So let's go. Finally, I have arrived at Tuscan Dawn. This is the entrance. It's right beside this elephant and elephant corridor. There are bisons too in this area. So tomorrow we'll be going for a trek. Hopefully we'll sight some animals. Tuscan Dawn. This is the reception area. They're already here to welcome us. Here in Tuscan Dawn. Sir, ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇದು ಶುಂಠಿ, ಲವಂಗ, ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್.
ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್. ಸೊ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಷಾಯ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ. ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಂತ?
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದೇ 3-4 days ಆಯಿತು.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬಂದಿದ್ರ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸತಿ
2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ 2.5-3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ವರೆಗೆ
ಆನೆಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ?
ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ರೋಡಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಹೋ.
ಅದು ರೂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 5-10 years ಇಂದ
ಅದೇ ರೋಡ್ ಯೂಸ್.
ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್. ಈಗ ಒಂದು 2 ಆನೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಂಟಿ ಒಂದಿದೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಗಲ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಸಫಾರಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ?
ಯಾವ್ದು ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ?
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು.
ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಫಿ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟಿಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್.
ಅವ್ರು ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೈಸನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ.
ಕಾಫಿ ಗಿಡ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಅವರೇ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಕಾಟೇಜ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. So there's this huge window through which we can see the lawn. and right next to it is a water body where we'll be spending some time in the evening. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Looks like it's not going to rain for at least some time now. The room was pretty hygiene, but even then I set up my own bed. As usual, you guys are aware that I've carried my own rubber sheet, blanket and my bed sheet, so there's no compromise on hygiene. So the bathroom is also pretty clean, has a touch of nature, as you can see. So all in all, so far good. Stay tuned to see what adventures me and Lawrence are going to do for the day. Chapati, palya, they have two varieties, sheke, rice, curd, vegetable curry, rasam. They have paisa for the dessert. This is a non-veg gravy, probably chicken gravy. That's a non-veg starter, and some egg starters. So we are going for a trek. After the trek, there is a waterfall. We'll be seeing the waterfall. We don't have plans to get down. Let's see. And just in case if it rains, they have provided us this covers, so it will act as a raincoat. It's a trek in the nature. Lorry, hange idi. Lorry, hange idi. So there's a water crossing here. In-house hydro power plant which generates electricity which is sufficient for the running the resort. It's almost 3 kilometers trek is what he told us. We are halfway through our trek. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಡು 100% ಈ ಮರ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ ಬಾರೋ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಸುಮಾರು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ಅರ್ಧ ದಾರಿ ನಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಲೀಚ್ಗಳು ಹತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇನ್ನೇನೇನು ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ನೋಡೋದಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಥರ ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಗೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್. It's simply getting denser and denser. This is the area which has waterfall. Since it's slippery, we are not going to get down. Okay. I've reached the spot where there's waterfall. You can see this is the natural water that is flowing inside the property. It's a bit slippery here. There's a lot of mist that has been formed here in this area. Hopefully we'll be able to figure out the way back to our room. It's a small stream which ತುಂಬ ಹೊತ್ತು ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಲೀಚ್ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಕಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ವರ್ತ್ ದ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಿಜವಲ್ಲೂ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹೌದು, ಬಟ್ ಅರ್ಧ ರಕ್ತ ಲೀಚ್ಗಳು ಕುಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಇದೇ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್. By the time we have come back, the entire area has become foggy, or I can say a mist has formed. We are done with our trek. We are heading back to our room. You can see that as it's getting closer to the evening, there's a lot of fog that is being formed here. So overall the trip has been really good. The drive also we enjoyed, and the food what the resort people had provided was also good. The rooms were hygiene. So all in all, so far it's been good. So tomorrow we'll be heading back. We're heading back. As you can see, we had kept these stones as the sign or mark that we had to take a left here. So whenever you guys go on a trek, please make sure you use such tricks. We had kept these two stones just to give us a indication that we are supposed to take a left here, and we are supposed to walk from this into these bushes to reach our resort. Always make it a point to do leave markings when you're going for a trek. Will definitely help you. You won't get lost. By the way, we are trekking within a property, so there's nothing to worry. But since not many staff here, we had to do it by ourselves. Since it's a 25 to 30 acre property, there are chances you might even get lost. So always leave trails or markings so that you be safe and get back safely. Beaches out here, we need to be very careful. Leech that has climbed my shoes. Please carry salt. That's a leech. You have to cross the small bridge what they have made out of the stone on the way back to our trek. 5 in the evening, and this is how the weather here is. After the trek, we had our evening coffee, after which we went to the natural swimming pool that has been made in the resort. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದು ಒಂಥರ. ವಾವ್. So guys, this is the natural pool. They've made it, they've left it as it is. It is the stream that is flowing from the mountain that is collected here and that continues further. This looks simply amazing. The water is really cold, and this water, as you can see, it's flowing here, and there's a small waterfall that has formed. The water is really cold. Wow. ಟೈಮರ್ ಹಾಕಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? Super. ಕಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹೌದೇನು? ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಲೋಕ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೋಟೋ ಹಿಡಿ. ಶೂಸ್ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಇದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬರೀ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಅಡ್ಡಿ ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಆಯಿತು. ಥಂಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀರು? ನನ್ನ ಶೂಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥಂಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಇದು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೋಲ್ಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನಾನು ಫೋನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಡೌನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ರನ್ನಿಂಗಲ್ಲೂ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಾ ಬಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸಕಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನೀನು ವಾವ್ ಏನು ಸಕಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
After enjoying at the pool, we had our dinner, which was really good, and after that, we slept really
the
well.
guest for the day. It's a German Shepherd. He was sleeping here all night. So luckily the rain has reduced. So we are going to have breakfast now and start. The road might have got a bit sludgy. We have to ride back really carefully because we are riding the tourers and not the off-roading bikes. So this is the breakfast menu for the day. Kesari bath, neer dosa, chutney. Mulangi raita and uppit.
We started after our breakfast, so we didn't want to waste more time because it looked like it's going to rain and we had to cover quite a distance of muddy road.
It was right through this sludgy road. In fact, I can call it an off-roading. In fact, it was fun. We drove we rode really slowly. We somehow managed to finish the sludgy part, and now we are heading towards the Sakleshpur town. It's about a kilometer from here. This is the view what we got throughout our journey.
Hope you had fun. See you soon, guys. Bye bye. Take care.